Grandpa here. And you know, young and old are welcome to come aboard his reality school bus. This is a different kind of school. It's where we learn about God through what the Bible has to say. Like this. Come unto me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. Take my yoke upon you. What does that mean? Well, the dictionary says that yoke means something that connects or joins together. It bonds. And then the next part of it says, how do we bond with God? It says to learn of me. So come on aboard, and we're going to learn of him. And then you can truly get some rest. Come on.
Okay, but I'll wait right here for you, okay?
Hi, aren't you Happy Clown?
No.
Well, are you sure you look like Happy Clown?
I may look happy on the outside, but I'm not very happy on the inside.
How come you're not happy on the inside?
Well, I feel like no one loves me.
Jesus loves you, so do I.
Thank you, Gary. I feel happy on the inside, but how do I stay happy on the inside?
Wait. Jesus, help happy stay happy on the inside all the time. Amen.
Well, thank you, Gary, for praying with me. I'm glad Jesus can make us feel happy all the time. But can I have another hug?
Hi, Danny. What do you have there?
Oh, hi, Leo. Yeah, I just built this cool snowman. Isn't he a nice-looking snowman? Yeah, he's gonna be my best friend. Yeah, he's gonna like me a lot.
That's a nice snowman, but you can't make anyone or anything like you. Liking is a decision we make. Besides, he's only a snowman and he's going to melt soon.
What do you mean he's gonna melt? He can't melt. Oh, just like all my friends, they flew south for the winter. Yeah, no, I don't want that to happen. I need somebody to be a real friend.
You know, Danny, Jesus wants to be your friend, and he said that he would stick closer than a brother.
Closer than a brother? Well, I always wanted a brother. Yeah, I think that's great. A brother, wow.
That's right, Danny. Jesus also said he would never leave or forsake us. But talk about leaving, I gotta go. See you around.
Well, okay, Leo, thanks a lot for making me understand the real friend, and that's Jesus. But I kind of like this guy anyway. He's gonna be a cool friend, at least until he melts. Okay? I'll see you later, okay? Oh, what a good guy. What a nice guy. Isn't he a nice guy? Oh, yeah. Okay.